Do you know there's a reset trick that mechanics absolutely hate when you know about it? Why? Because it fixes up to 90% of common problems completely free. No tools, no parts, no $800 trip to the garage, just the right move. That's right, this isn't some gimmick or magic technology. This is a real reset method used by technicians every single day, but they will never show you because every time you can reset it yourself, they lose a juicy appointment. So, if you've ever seen the warning light turn on, felt jerky driving, heard strange engine noises, and the garage keeps shouting out outrageous prices, then you're standing in front of the secret they don't want you to know. Hold the steering wheel tight. By the end of this video, you'll know how to reset the brain of the entire car. No joke, it will change the way you drive forever. You'd think modern cars break down less, but surprisingly, they act up more often. One fine day, the check engine light suddenly comes on. The vehicle vibrates slightly. You press the gas, and it jerks. You think, oh no, maybe the transmission is broken, or there's a serious electronic issue. But wait, don't rush to replace parts. Often, your car isn't broken at all, it's just confused. Sounds illogical? Not at all. Today's cars are computers on wheels. They have sensors measuring everything: air, throttle, fuel, steering wheel position, and even the way you press the brakes. But sensors can also fail. A misread signal, a sudden power loss, a battery change without a reset. That's enough to make the main module think something serious has happened. So, when the warning light flashes, the transmission shifts roughly, or the engine runs unevenly, it's often just faulty information, not a faulty part. And you know what? One proper reset will wake it back up, clear all the misunderstandings, and make it run smoothly again as if nothing ever happened. Okay, now you'll ask, wait, so just by resetting, the car magically fixes itself? Sounds like one of those abracadabra clips, right? But no, this isn't magic, it's exactly how engineers actually design the electronic systems in cars. Imagine this. Your car is like a laptop. After prolonged use, junk data accumulates, software freezes, and the machine lags. What do? Shut it down, restart it. Cars are the same. When sensors send the wrong signals, when old data is no longer accurate, the ECU, the car's central computer, starts guessing. And you're the one stuck with jerky shifts, engine vibrations, and delayed throttle. A reset is how you wipe out that messy data, so the ECU starts fresh. It relearns based on what's happening right now, not what happened last week. That's why many car problems can be fixed 100% without replacing a single sensor. It's not magic, it's programming. Let's start with the most powerful reset, disconnecting the battery. This is like when you turn off the power on your Wi-Fi router when the internet is acting up. But with cars, it doesn't just restore the connection, it clears out minor errors, resets the transmission's driving adaptation, and cleans up sensor data. Here's how to do it. Turn off the engine. Remove the key or press the start, stop button if it's a push-start car. Using a small 10mm wrench, disconnect the negative terminal, the black cable, of the battery. Make sure you disconnect the correct terminal. Do it wrong, and your reset turns into a resign. Press and hold the brake for about 30 seconds. This trick helps drain out any leftover electricity in the circuits. Wait 10 minutes. Don't rush. Reconnect the negative terminal. You may lose your radio presets or clock settings, but in return, the central computer will fully reboot. The car will forget all the bad memories and start learning again from scratch. Especially effective after replacing sensors, installing a new battery, or when the car shows strange behavior even without any hardware faults. One reset, many problems gone. Okay, so if you don't want to erase the car's entire memory, but only want to reset the exact thing that's driving you crazy, here's the trick. Pull the fuse selectively. In the fuse box, usually located under the dashboard or near the engine bay, each fuse controls a separate system. ECU, the engine control computer. TCM controls the transmission. BCM controls the body, lights, windows, door locks. Radio, infotainment. As long as you know the correct label, you can pull out just one fuse, wait 5-10 minutes, then plug it back in. Example: after an oil change, your car shifts harshly when you put it in gear. Try pulling the TCM fuse. plug it back in, test drive. The effect? The transmission forgets the old, incorrect shifting patterns and relearns from scratch. This is a surgical reset, precise, safe, and without affecting other parts. The transmission becomes smooth again. No software needed, no dealership visit, and definitely no paying $200 for a problem you can fix yourself. Pulling the TPMS fuse after servicing the transmission on a Nissan can help it shift as smoothly as new. It's precise, quick, and doesn't affect other settings. Would you believe it? With just a quirky sequence of pressing the gas pedal, you can make your car relearn how to accelerate smoothly. No machines, no opening the hood, just a little dance with your right foot. This is called the pedal dance, and it resets the electronic throttle body controller, and even the smart transmission if your car has one. The method is super simple. Key on, don't start the engine. Wait 3 seconds. Press and release the gas pedal 5 times within 5 seconds. Wait 7 seconds. Press and hold the gas pedal for 15 seconds. Start the engine. Let it idle for a few minutes. What just happened? Your car has just erased all the old acceleration data that may have been outdated, corrupted, or distorted by previous poor driving habits. It starts learning again from scratch, from throttle response to gear shift coordination. The result? The car runs smoothly again, like it just came out of the dealership. No hesitation, no jerks when accelerating. And you're the one who did it, not the mechanic. This sequence resets the throttle body, clears transmission logic, and restores smooth acceleration. It often works on Nissan, Toyota, GM, and BMW. No tools needed, just time and patience. If you only had to spend $20 on a device that could make mechanics lose sleep, would you buy it? Don't let the name OBD2 scanner sound unfamiliar. It's the lifesaver in your glove box, a tiny chip you plug into your car, but it gives you the power of an entire garage. You plug it into the OBD2 port, right under the steering wheel. Turn the key to on. Don't start the engine. Use your phone or the display screen to scan for errors, clear error codes, check engine light, view real-time data, RPM, fuel consumption, engine temperature, and even oxygen sensor readings. No more light comes on, panic, run to the dealership. Now you're the one reading the codes and clearing them like a professional technician. Pro tip, check engine. Light comes on after filling the wrong fuel, gas cap loose, sensor temporarily glitching. Just clear the code, drive a few laps. If it doesn't come back, the problem is solved. If it does come back, you've already narrowed it down. No more guessing. Have you ever heard the term hard reset? Just like when a computer freezes or a phone lags, we shut it down and restart from scratch. Cars are the same. After years, they store piles of junk data, faulty sensor readings, outdated parameters, even your driving style from 2018. It's time to wipe it clean and reprogram it like new. Final trick, hard reset combo. Disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Pull the fuses related to ECU, PCM, and TCM. Wait 30 minutes, plug them back in. Start the car. Perform idle relearn. Idle the engine for 5 minutes, AC off. Turn on the AC, let the car balance itself for another 5 minutes. Drive gently, steady throttle, so the new memory can relearn your driving behavior. Effect: clears all temporary ECU faults. Resets the transmission operation logic, TCM. Makes the car smoother, more responsive, and more fuel efficient. Why is this important? Many people replace a sensor, and yet the car still throws errors. That's because the ECU hasn't forgotten the past. This reset helps erase all the bad memories. Pro tip: after every battery replacement, sensor change, or transmission repair, remember to do this combo. It's a step that any skilled mechanic will never skip. They just don't tell you. This powerful reset often fixes limp mode on cars like Hyundai, VW, and Ford. It clears stuck modules and teaches the car to operate correctly. You've done the hard reset, like cleaning out the entire brain of the car. But there are still a bunch of smaller systems that you deal with every day, and they're often the ones that act up the most. That's why this is the part mechanics hate the most, because if you know these 9 legendary resets, they'll lose quite a few customers. Essential resets. Each one saves you tens to hundreds of dollars. TPMS reset. Tire pressure light glowing like a Christmas tree? Inflate to the correct pressure. Hold the TPMS button until the light flashes 3 times. Drive above 10 miles per hour with the correct tire pressure. Don't ignore these lights, but also don't always assume the worst-case scenario. Try a soft reset first. Light off. Save $60. HVAC. Air conditioning. One side cold, the other hot? After turning the key to on, hold the recirculation and defrost buttons for 10 seconds. The system rebalances the airflow. If it still doesn't fix it, check whether the refrigerant is sufficient, as there may be a leak in the cooling system. Steering angle sensor. After a battery change, does the steering feel weird? Turn the wheel left, right, then back to center. Balance it out and drive straight. Transmission memory. Key on. Floor the gas pedal for 10 seconds. Turn the key off. Release the gas pedal. Wait 2 minutes, then start the engine. Infotainment reset. Screen frozen? Bluetooth not working? Hold the power, mute button for 10-15 seconds, restart it like a phone. Some screens have a small hole marked RST. Use a phone SIM ejector tool to press it until you hear a click, like pressing a physical button, and the screen will automatically reset itself. Bluetooth reset. Remove the connection from both the phone and the car. Restart both. Reconnect from the car side. Fixes 90% of issues. Key fob reprogram. Your key is used to lock, unlock, and even remote start the car. Now it doesn't. It's not always the battery. Sometimes the fob loses sync with the car system. Here's how to reprogram it at home. Works on many cars. Step 1. Get inside the car. Close all doors. Insert the key into the ignition and turn from off to on several times, usually 4 to 8 times, ending in O. You may hear a chime. That's programming mode. Step 2. Press any button on the fob. Press within 10 seconds. The doors may lock or unlock to confirm syncing. Step 3. Exit programming mode. Turn the key off and test the fob. Auto window reset. Here's how to reset it. Step 1. Key on. Step 2. Lower the window and hold the switch for 5 seconds after it's fully open. Step 3. Raise the window and hold the switch for 5 seconds once fully closed. Step 4. Check the one-touch function. If it works, you're done. If not, repeat once more. This tells the window control module the true fully open and fully closed positions. A simple fix that solves countless annoyances and can save you from replacing a switch or motor that still works fine. Sunroof reset? Sunroof stuck halfway? Don't blame the motor, it's just confused. After a dead battery or power surge, the sunroof can malfunction. It won't tilt, won't slide, or stop halfway. The dealer says you need a new module. No, it just forgot its position. Try this. Turn the key on. Engine off is fine. Press and hold the sunroof switch in the tilt-up position. Keep holding, don't release, for at least 10 seconds. You may hear a click or see the roof twitch. Keep holding until it runs fully open, then fully closed. Once it completes a full cycle, release the button. If it still doesn't work, maybe the motor is bad. But before giving up, remember, this is a system that often glitches, especially when you need it most. Reset first. All these resets. No complex software required. No technician required. Just you and a little patience. You don't need to become a mechanic. You just need to know how to protect your wallet. And these are the resets that save you whenever your car throws warning lights for no reason. You've just gone through the steps that completely change the way you look at your car. It's no longer a pile of mysterious machinery, but a computer that can learn, can forget, and can break down because it remembers too many random things. Reset is not magic. It's the way to erase wrong data, not replace parts. If the error doesn't come back after a reset, it was just a glitch. If the error does come back, that's what truly needs fixing. A new mindset for smart drivers. Reset first, repair later. Don't rush into replacing sensors, transmissions, or throwing money just because of a blinking yellow light. You don't need deep technical knowledge, just the awareness that you have control. Final tip, keep a reset logbook. Write down the date and time. Write what you reset. Note the symptoms, how long before they disappeared or came back. This not only helps you diagnose faster, but also increases your car's resale value. Buyers see that you cared, the car is clean, and they'll feel more confident. You're no longer just a driver. You're the one teaching your car how to behave properly. Warning light on? Don't panic. Don't grab your wallet. Reset smart, drive smarter. If this video saved you a few $100s, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who's still being tormented by warning lights.